Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to download Spotify music on Android. So open your Spotify app on your mobile device. Ensure you log in using your right password. Tap on the search option and type in the artist name of that particular music you want to look for. But if you have the music in your library, you can go ahead, click on your library and then click on the particular music in order to download. But if you don't have it, you just have to go to your search option here and type in the artist name. Let's say I type in Octagon. So all you have to do here is to tap on the three dots. You're going to see an option called download there. But in order to download this song on Spotify, it requires a premium account. You just have to subscribe as a premium user in order to download songs on your Spotify. So guys, that is it on how to download music on Spotify. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.